नमस्ते स्टूडेंट, स्लो बेटिया। आई जेवन कौशिक चक्रवर्ती जो फ्रॉम ज्योति विद्यापीठ यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर राजस्थान, फैकल्टी ऑफ एजुकेशन मेथोडोलॉजी, discuss about the subject biomedical signal processing. Here today we are going to discuss the topic computer aided diagnosis. This is called CAD. Generally we know CAD means computer aided design. Here the CAD means computer aided diagnosis has been designed as a diagnosis made by a radiologist who use the output of a computer analysis of the image when making his or her interpretation. There are two main types of CAD system. One is computer aided detection and other is computer aided diagnosis. CAD is an interdisciplinary technology combining elements of artificial intelligence and computer vision with radiology and pathology image processing. Basically, here we integrate the pathological data in computer aided design with the system of artificial intelligence. A typical application is the detection of a tumor. For instance, some hospitals use CAD to support preventive medical checkup in mammography, the detection of colon and lung cancer also. Computer aided systems are usually confined to marking conspicuous structure and section. Computer aided diagnosis system evaluate the conspicuous structure. For example, mammography CAD highlights microclassification cluster and hyperdense structure in the soft tissue. These allow the radiologist to draw conclusion about the condition of the pathology. Another application of CAD which quantify the size of tumor or the tumor behavior in contrast medium uptake. Computer aided simple stage is another type of CAD which perform a fully automatic initial interception stage of studies into some meaningful categories. CAST is particularly applicable in emergency diagnosis imaging where a prompt diagnosis of critical life-threatening condition is required. Although CAD has been used in clinical environment for over 40 years, CAD usually does not subtitle the doctors to substitute the doctors of the other professionals, but rather play a supporting roles. It helps the doctor to diagnose the disease. The professional is generally responsible for the final interpretation of a medical image. However, the goal of some CAD system is to detect earliest sign of abnormal in the patient that human professional cannot be, diabetic, etc. So, CAD is basically a support system of doctor to identify the disease and other critical condition. It will depends upon the pathological data and radiological data and merge into the computer support system. Basically, it is used for cancer treatment nowadays and normally to identify the particular locations of the disease. It has two part, computer aided detection and computer aided diagnosis. That's why it has two parts. It's help to detect and help for diagnosis also. It help to detect the location and to rectify this location through the diagnosis, through the treatment. It has one more features. It works with artificial intelligence and computer vision. Normally Artificial intelligence and computer visions are normally the basic image graphical presentation in the form of magnetic resonance. So, computer diagnosis is very helpful to human being. Thank you.